What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. And I'm ready to get it started. But first, what you need to do is comment below. Hey, beautiful. Yes. I'm not supposed to be skating. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Comment down below. Huh? No, I'm not too big to skate. We're going to go to the skating rink. You got your skates on? Your path clear? Don't come over here. You're going to knock over my stuff. Go back that way. Comment down below. Hey, T. What's up, y'all? Yeah. My toddler again. So, I am back with another Valentine's Day candy DIY, y'all. These candies are a little different. I am using 20 party plates. It doesn't matter the color because you're not going to be able to see it. I got these stickers out of the craft section. Or I'm sorry, the learning section actually. You get 112 stickers. So I got those because the stickers that are in the Valentine's Day section, you get like 12 stickers. And I'm like, baby, that ain't enough. So I went to the learning section and got these stickers. I found the hearts, so that's perfect because Happy Valentine's Day. Gift tissue. And I have these fudge hearts. I don't know where your football got, son. I have some heart-shaped lollipops. In this bag, you get 22 pops. You get cherry and blue raspberry. They sound delicious. Blue raspberry, yum. That's what they look like. Yummy. Yummy all in my tummy, just like this heart's supposed to be. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Hmm? Look in the playroom, baby. Those parts are bomb. Fudge heart. Soft, creamy fudge in a rich chocolatey shell. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Okay, check in your room. I'm not sure where you threw it at yesterday. Okay, check in your room. This video is going to be very quick and I'll help you find your football, okay? I love you. Aww. So cute. Scissors, y'all. I got this ribbon. This last bow on here. This is from my Black History wreath that I made. So I kept this. I have this, the ribbon, and I have this. Y'all not gonna believe what this is from. This is from my daughter's Cindy Lou Who hair. Y'all thought I just do Dollar Tree projects with stuff like this? You know, I do my daughter's hair every crazy hair day, every holiday. We're gonna do a Valentine's style too. She wants a heart in her hair, and I'm all here for it. So go ahead and check out those videos as well. I did her an Easter basket, Fruit Loops hair, a Christmas tree, Cindy Lou Who, all that stuff. I have some tape. So yeah, again, this is a clueless project. I'm excited for these candies, y'all. This looks really good. This blue raspberry. Look, y'all making me a stash when the kids go to bed, or the kids go to bed. I'm eating this stuff now. But I'll be opening up one of these candies tonight. Maybe I should just hide all of them from the kids and my husband. They won't know nothing about it. Okay. We're gonna throw some suckers in there. A heart. Put anything you want in your candies. This is what we're choosing today to put inside. Place your second plate on top. Get you some tape. You only need 1 piece of tissue paper per candy, okay? If you want to have the tape, you just fold it. All right? So just take your tape and fold it. Make it double-sided tape, okay? If you don't have double-sided tape, make it yourself, okay? And so I'm going to place that tape right here on the pink, just like so. And we're going to take our flap and just fold it over right onto that tape. There it is. See how I hid the tape under? Okay, now you can flip it back over and take your bows, your ribbon, whatever you want, and I'm going to go ahead and pull a bow out, squeeze it together, and tie it on there, okay? And this is just another Dollar Tree, speaking of which, Dollar Tree DIY candy idea. So don't pull the bows too hard, okay? Come on, bow. Okay, so that side is done. Come on. Okay. You can add as many bows on here as you want. Okay. All right, and there's one of our candies. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put some stickers on here. You can leave them plain, you can add stickers, you can do whatever you would like. Okay. I don't know where that came from. I think this one I'm gonna leave plain though. And then the next one, I will add some stickers to it, okay? So let's leave that there, okay? Let's get another one. And for this, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on for y'all because y'all wanna hear my mouth just sitting here talking. So y'all go ahead and enjoy the tune. Leave me some comments in the comment section, okay?
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Purge. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This touch in heavy wine. Last minute pills to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding. Dip, 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 riding. Don't hesitate when you in it cause you want. Let it get breaking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. In it cause you want, let it get breaking up.
up a day for you, ride it. This type shit heavy. Drip, 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 drip. Just when it feels to the high end. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit heavy. Drip, 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 drip. That's when it feels to the high end. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit heavy. Violent. Don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Again when you don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Again when you don't hesitate, when you again when you don't hesitate, when you drip dip, drip dip, drip dip, drip dip. Again when you drip dip, drip dip, drip dip. I wanna get wild. Again when you drip dip, drip dip, drip dip. Again when you drip dip, drip dip. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Again when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Again when you don't hesitate, when you bite it. And it cushion wild, let it get it. Making up a day for you, ride it. This type shit heavy. Drip dip, drip dip, drip dip. Just when it feels to the high.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? Loving you.
I really need my love. I need to free my love. I really need time now. I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. I need to free my love. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. Set me free and in the open mind. Farther than the eyes can handle. Free and in the ocean now. Yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.
my finished Dollar Tree DIY candies, Valentine's Day candies. I hope you enjoyed this super duper quick and easy, budget friendly Dollar Tree DIY project. Don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Don't forget to share this video. And if you decide to do this project, you know what to do. Tag me in your picture or video on social media platforms. My social media names are in the description box down below, as well as the intro and outro of all my videos. Thank y'all again. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.